I know this doesn't make sense, but how do you make more money online without selling? Let's chat. What's up, Automation Nation? I'm Justin Morgan, founder of AutomationMastery.net, and you want to know how you can sell more, make more, get more without you actually having to do any of the selling. That sounds like one of those pie in the sky dreams, but as I've talked about before, again, I'm all about practical stuff. And so let's hop into something here that I think will be useful for you as you hear all the squeaking from my chair. It always goes on each and every. I need another chair. Like, if y'all want to send me another chair, one that does not squeak, let me know. It's like, Justin, why didn't you just stand up or something? I'm at my computer. Sometimes I do screen shares and whatnot, and so I like to be sitting down. Some other do them standing up, but that's not the setup right this second. I digress. I get back on track. Anyway, how do you make more money without doing any selling yourself? Now, there's this thing, there's this process, there's this system I discovered years ago, like forever ago, right? And I didn't really understand the power of it until I saw it firsthand. And I think for me, what was cool was and I was the one doing the selling, right? I didn't really realize or think about it from the other side. But I was doing a video like this, right, where I was promoting and talking about a tool or a product. And what was cool, right? What was cool was I just did a demo, and then they bought. Like I didn't do any hard pitching, any hard selling, right? And they bought. So it kind of covers two sides of this topic, right? So I was doing something, the tool is called Revio. I'll put it in the comments, but it's actually down there, I think. It's the intro tool, the thing I use to introduce this video, okay? And so again, you saw the animated graphic, like you can do that without any complicated software. I did a whole demo on it. And when I was done, there was some money in my bank account. Like I didn't, and what was so important for me for that moment was that was the first time that it happened to me. Right? Like I just went on to the training, didn't do any hard selling, nothing like that, and I got paid. It's cool. So I didn't have to sell, and I made money. I just simply talked about something that I enjoyed and I thought was cool that I was using. No hard pitch, did a demo, and was done. And then I made money. No hard selling, and I made more money. So that's the first part. The second side of the coin is that Revio, the company, didn't have to sell. They didn't have to create any extra content. They didn't have to go out there and build an audience. They just sat back, gave me a link, and then let me do the work. And so they made more money without selling. And so there's two sides, right? You can make more money just by creating content about things that you like, use, and love without selling and get paid. And or you can create a program, a product, a service, a business, an event, whatever it is, and let other people sell it for you without you having to create content, do presentations, pitch, go live, build audiences. You let them do the work, and you just simply cut them a check for a share of it. This is really practical. Like, it's not, and again, I'm not saying that you're going to make $1 million overnight. What I'm saying is I did it on a Tuesday evening. I think it was either 9 or 10 o'clock on a Tuesday evening. I trained for about 30 minutes, and I think I made the one sale I made, again, the first time, the one sale I made, I think it net me $50, something like that. So I made $50 for like 30 minutes of something that I do weekly for free anyway, right? No pressure. And I enjoyed it. It was good. And that's it, right? And that's it. So it's called having an affiliate service in place in your business. Now, there are a ton of different ones you can use. There's Pay Kickstart. Okay, so I'll do a demo on that one time. I've talked about Kartra. I will recommend Kartra all day, any day, just because of the fact that Kartra has so many other tools, functions, and features. You can check Kartra out in the comments. You can get a 14-day trial to Kartra. I've used Kartra for myself. I've used it for clients, and it's turned out very well. And again, the value you get for the price is amazing. Okay, because you can go get Pay Kickstart, which is $97 a month, and only do checkouts and affiliate sequences, or you can get Kartra and get everything and also get the affiliate piece. You can still get funnel builders and websites and help desk and calendar. You can get all this other stuff, and you still get that affiliate and checkout piece as well. So it's $99 a month. If you buy it for the whole year, I think it's like $79 a month. So you get a nice little discount. So again, it's worth it. Get a 14 free day trial. Just go ahead and check it out in the comments below. I appreciate you and all that you do. Again, if you like these videos, there is a like button, there's a subscribe button, and of course, please leave a comment as well. Let me know what you use in your business right now if it's not Kartra. And if it is Kartra, go ahead and put a Kartra-naut down in the comments so that way I know that you are part of the community. I'll see y'all in the next video. And as usual, treat each day as a building block to a better future. Peace.